If you want to grow long hair and still maintain healthy looking hair even when the weather is not so friendly, then I would advise you use products that have a lot of moisture and hydration. That is why from time to time I try to make my own hair product by using products like flaxseed gel and aloe vera, which contains a lot of moisture. It helps to hydrate your hair, keeping your hair moisturized and hydrated all day long, even when the weather is not so friendly. I get it that it's not always easy making your own hair product, but I would advise you get yourself a leave-in conditioner, at least something that has moisture, something that has a little bit of water. That way your hair can stay hydrated and moisturized all day long. You can also infuse some herbs like clove seed, star anise, rosemary, neem leaf to make your own hair tea. That way your hair will stay hydrated always. Your hair needs water just as much as your body needs water. If you don't know, now you know.